Every single one of these green cells, each one of these 4% is a one trade. This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days using the indicators, content, and the membership. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Today is December 27th, and we're going to be talking about Litecoin. We're looking at Litecoin USD on the 1-day time frame today, and based on what we're seeing, especially with the imminent release of the Bitcoin ETF, we're likely to see some high amounts of volatility in Litecoin. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I think we're heading next. Check this out. Before we get started, I am so excited to share this with you. I am so proud of our traders. We are now 117 wins, 0 losses on our trade calls. Now, I know this sounds impossible, but if we go to the trade setups page, head down to the view performance record, I can actually prove it to you. Every single one of these green cells, each one of these 4% is a one trade. You can see the date entered on the left, you can see the date exited on the right, and the coin we traded. As we scroll down, you're going to notice larger and larger profits. Right here we have 6% profit, we have a 10% profit trade right there, absolutely insane. And we have 2 active trades for you to join right now, so you do not want to miss out on this. On our profits page, this person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days using the indicators, content, and the membership. Scrolling down here, this person covered their membership dues for the year based on calls made in the future forecast videos. Now there's a brand new video here. This is members only content that comes out at least twice a week, and you can follow us as we embark on our $1 million profit account challenge. We're looking for 400% profit here, and yesterday's video talked about how the Bitcoin crash has started. Here's how we plan to profit on this drop. It's going to talk about short trading, Christmas and Christmas Eve, post-Christmas season trading, and everything you need to know about how this move down is programmed into every Bitcoin cycle, and we really don't think this cycle is any different. Last announcement right here, we have our live Inner Circle hangout coming out tomorrow. Trade Confident Traders, if you want to join us for a live Zoom meeting, it's happening tomorrow, December 28th at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time. We'll, of course, send out alerts on our Telegram channel, but you do not want to miss this. It's going to be live training, Q&A. Whatever you want to know about trading, we'll be there to help you out. And with that, if you want to get access to all these benefits, trade setups, morning brew overview, Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, future forecast videos, and of course the metrics across all 20 coins on our website, you're going to want to snag a membership at the links in the description down below. Price increases up to $95 are coming soon, so you do not want to miss out on that. And with that, let's dive into the analysis here. Once again, looking at Litecoin USD on the 1-day time frame, you are seeing me using the price versus money flow, trades in favor, and TC top and bottom finder. And a little bit later, I'll go into the support and resistance levels as well. While we're here, I want to point this out. Price versus money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move straight to the downside. Price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, move straight back up. It's very, very consistent. Litecoin is one of our most accurate coins to trade with these indicators. Price versus money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus money flow high, trades in favor high with an earlier sell signal, move down. As soon as we saw price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, we saw that move up. Price versus money flow low, trades in favor low, strong buy, move up. These signals are insanely accurate on Litecoin. It's absolutely crazy. And based on that, despite seeing a buy signal here with price versus money flow and trades in favor low, despite seeing a sell signal, I'm honestly still bullish. We see price versus money flow low, trades in favor low with a buy signal. Most often this will result in moves to the upside, but it's not until we see price versus money flow high and trades in favor high that we're really looking for those moves back down. Now, of course, the sell signal did result in a tiny drop, but I think a more substantial one is going to come as soon as our current readings are high for the price versus money flow and trades in favor. If we see both of those and a sell signal, all 3 of these should combine to see significant moves to the downside. It's happened 3 times in a row here. Every time we see those signals, we're seeing significant moves to the downside. So this is exactly what we're watching for. Now let's switch out the TC top and bottom finder in favor of the support and resistance levels. We're actively testing structure resistance at $76.85, with our next structure resistance sitting at $79.54. Those are our main structure resistances we need to break through at this point, but as we scroll back farther, you're going to see more structure resistance around the $95 to $99 mark. These are major structure resistances, and if we break through our current one, you can see up here is where this sits. I think we could see some pretty significant moves to the upside. But again, we need to see a breakout to happen. We need to see a candle open and close above $79.54 in order to see any chance of that happening. Now, despite the bullish signals on the 1-day time frame, if we head to the 1 week, things are not nearly as bullish as they are on the 1 day. Price versus well money flow is extremely high. Trades in favor was high, and though it has dropped, I would still consider this fairly bearish, and because of that, I would not be shocked to see moves to the downside incoming. We still have plenty of room to move down. Way back here, there's plenty of room, so if a drop happens, we do have structure supports to pay attention to. But for now, heading back to the 1 day and throwing the support and resistance levels back on, our main structure support sits at $68.82. And I think we are going to trade within these levels for some time between $80 and $68. Now, as this plays out, you're going to want to pay very close attention to these indicators. I'm going to go into more data in just a second. Bear with me. But first, if you want to get access to these indicators, you're going to want to check out the links in the description down below. Follow along here. It'll be super quick. What you're going to want to do first is purchase the membership. This is because members get significantly better prices on the indicators than non-members. It is much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. And that's not even including the crazy money-making benefit. Now, a membership is going to be $59 a month. You're going to want to snag that soon because price increases up to $95 a month are incoming. What you're going to want to do is just scroll down, click subscribe now, and follow the prompts from there. After you have your membership, head back over to the description. The second link is going to be the indicators. Click that. Scroll down. The Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Like I said, massive discounts, $150 off for members. Click on the access coupon code link, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership coupon code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, let's dive into the metrics. Just a little bit more data before we wrap it up today. We're going to scroll down to the Litecoin metrics, and the first metric we're taking a look at is the Litecoin Emotional Index. Now, this is a much more bearish chart. We've pushed into excited territory, and most often when this happens, you're going to see moves down in Litecoin. This is one of the most consistent metrics. Honestly, I have to say Litecoin is one of the most accurate cryptocurrencies with all the data Trade Confident has to offer. So based on the fact we're in excited, we could push up a little bit further if we move into greedy. Both of these are highly bearish, and this is where that resistance comes in. Next up, let's check out what whales are doing using the Litecoin Whale Smart Money metric. With this major pump to the upside, whales are becoming more likely to short trade. This is very common practice. Once we see a top on a coin, whales like to sell out, take their profit, and then short trade to make profit on the way back down as well. When whales short trade, that's likely to drop the market, but this shows what whales are likely to do soon. If we check out the Litecoin whale money flow relative to price chart, we're going to see what whales are actively doing. On the current chart, it appears that whales have oversold themselves and are moving money back into the market. This should, of course, push the price up. And what's interesting is the whale money flow relative to price chart had to move up significantly farther than it has currently to reach the same price level. This tells me if whale money continues moving into the market, this could be a much more substantial move to the upside. So this is a little bit more bullish to combat the bearish sentiment from previous indicators. Next up, I want to take you down to the Litecoin trade signals chart. We already talked about our support and resistances. So once again, if we see a sell signal as the price continues moving up, we've seen how reliable a sell signal is on Litecoin. So if we see another sell signal, I'm personally expecting moves down. Now, if you're a Litecoin trader, you're going to want to access all of these metrics. They update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members get access to the Litecoin metrics as well as metrics across all 20 coins on our website. I showed you all the other benefits already, so don't worry about that. Just go ahead and sign up for a membership at the links in the description. Snag that discount for those indicators and do not miss out on the next Trade Confident signals. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.